Good evening. Here's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Tuesday, the 6th of October. Well, this is going to be a short report because apparently cryptocurrencies are also affected by the U.S. stimulus plan, which is now dead in the water. I personally think it'll be revived again before the election, even though the administration said that it's DOA and will not be negotiated until after the election. As far as the charts, I think the issue is quite clear. We have these consolidation wedges that the price is just coiling inside of there, and it's getting tighter and tighter as it gets closer and closer to the apex. Now, there's nothing that says that it has to do something when it gets to the apex. We've seen these things sort of go on, like literally forever before they finally break. This was an example of one that we had in July that finally broke after literally months of coiling. And we may be in store for more of that ourselves, as there is so much uncertainty on the street right now in terms of risk assets. And this is what we're seeing, is that everything is being overshadowed by what's happening, honestly, over the next 4 weeks from now. And myself personally, I think it will last more than 4 weeks. I think the uncertainty will go on after the election into the latter part of November, finally, I think, before we get some type of clarity. Anyway, that's just my read on it. Anything can happen from this point. But watch the prices here. For Bitcoin, we want to see the price stay above 10,388. Otherwise, we're printing a lower low. And then especially the next level below that is about 10,160. If we break that, then we're breaking the yellow trend line. And that is a bad technical signal. So we can't trade what we want. We have to trade what we see. And right now we do have the price making lower highs along the way. The only saving grace has been the higher lows that we printed. So far, these are higher lows, but that can change in an instant. So when the price does break that pattern, believe it, and we may have some room to the downside until we get to, as I went into in yesterday's report, about 9,200 or so is where support should be. And I think that should be a dip that should be at least reacted to. I will sell puts down in that area. Not really worth going through the rest of the top 10, nor any of the altcoins right now. Really, nothing is moving. Everything was kind of shocked today by the overall news, but I think markets get over that sort of thing. And again, like I say, personally, I don't think that edict will stand. So that is it for today's report. Thanks for listening, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.